I have been concerned over an observed decline in butterfly numbers. An informal summer-long survey of butterfly numbers in the city of St. Paul, Minnesota yielded only 3. That's 3 butterflies. 2 monarchs and 1 red admiral. Many other insect genera were well represented on a profuse number of flowers. Wide use of herbicides and pesticides has likely contributed to the decline. I would like to see full populations of butterflies return. Short-term goals can include meaningful contribution to environmental activist social media sites, creation of a butterfly-dedicated social media website, creation of YouTube media to drive interest, and engagement of officials and legislators through email and official websites. Researching the issue, one finds that Roundup herbicide has been linked to the radical decline in monarch butterfly numbers in recent years. Destruction of milkweed populations, the monarch's food supply, is directly proportional to monarch declines. Stakeholders who support change are varied. Environmental activists, citizens, and legislators will aid change due to their concern for environmental health and for helpless species. Stakeholders opposed to change are all part of the economic status quo, seeking short-term profit and long-term profitability. Neonicotinoid insecticides are indiscriminate killers. Studies have now linked these insecticides to honeybee colony collapse disorder, threatening our food supply. Additionally, pesticides taken up in flower nectar and plant tissues has proven to be lethal to butterflies and caterpillars. Research has also shown that GMO corn pollen kills caterpillars that eat it. If farming practices are shown to be detrimental to pollinators, farmers can be recruited to participate in action research. Additionally, health concerns over genetically modified organisms, GMOs, genetically engineered to resist Roundup, have prompted 38 countries to ban GMOs. This figure includes 19 European Union countries. Environmental organizations can be engaged in efforts to reach concerned citizens with news that they are also victims of this environmental imperialism. This might be accomplished largely through social media. Human health issues also allow secondary engagement of legislators who can fight for passage of laws protecting both the environment and people. Legislators might be engaged through other electronic means, email and YouTube video, with an eye toward face-to-face meetings for development of legislation. Discussion of social change communication. Western capitalism, operating unchecked, disregards human and environmental factors for the sake of profit. Drive for profit is so entrenched in U.S. society that it represents a form of cultural imperialism, highly resistant to change. Working against this economic status quo has proven difficult when exploitation of the environment and non-human species are the sole concern. Within the theoretical framework for social change, only culture-centered grassroots efforts might serve to make a difference if no human element can be found. Research into the subject of monarch butterfly declines informed the project of a major human health component. Since legislators are charged with protecting human health, a top-down component of social change can be utilized in order to help both people and butterflies.